is to prioritize what is essential over what is excessive, and really minding what we consume through our five senses and slowing way down and taking a less is more approach to life. And in any small way each day, taking some kind of inspiration from nature and using that as an inspiration to appreciate and get to know your own unique qualities, your own unique dharma, your own unique nature, your own unique expression, and therefore getting really clear about your values and your priorities in life. You know, that fish who's really just like, I'm a fish and I'm going to be the best fish, isn't even like worried or looking out at like what the bird is doing or how it could be a